Welcome to the Industrial Park Lausitz. Please watch this video carefully. It shows what you have to observe during your stay at the Industrial Park Lausitz. Afterwards, you will receive a QR code, which you have to show to the staff at the ID card office. To enter the Industrial Park Lausitz, you need an ID card. You can obtain this at our ID card office in Building A310 on Schipkauer Strasse. A prerequisite is passing a safety test. You can complete this test online immediately after watching this video. With your ID card, you are granted access to the site. Wear your ID card clearly visible at all times. We want everyone at the Industrial Park Lausitz to work safely and stay healthy. What's way, we have life-saving rules. These rules apply equally to everyone working here. Anyone who violates them endangers not only themselves, but also others. Violations will therefore be consistently penalized and may result in a site ban. Smoking is prohibited throughout the entire industrial park. Open flames are strictly forbidden. This also includes the use of lighters and cigarettes, even inside your own vehicle. If you want to smoke, please use only the designated areas. Alcohol and intoxicating substances are prohibited throughout the entire site. Photography and filming are generally not permitted anywhere in the industrial park. Entering marked hazardous areas is only permitted with the authorization of a responsible person. Safety devices exist for a reason. They must not be removed, modified, or bypassed without authorization. This also applies to road barriers. Always remain attentive and follow instructions. Pay attention to warning signs and pictograms. They provide information about potential hazards. The rules of the German road traffic regulations apply throughout the industrial park. However, there are additional regulations you must observe. The maximum speed limit is 30 km per hour. At designated locations, the limit is only 10 km per hour. At intersections, the rule right before left always applies. Always be considerate of other road users. At locations marked with wide broken line markings, right-of-way must be granted. Always pay attention to traffic lights at intersections of the plant fire brigade. In emergency situations, these lights switch to red. Stopping is mandatory. Our site fire department always has the right-of-way when using emergency signals. If you encounter site security or the fire department during operations, always follow their instructions. Be especially careful when crossing railway tracks. Rail traffic always has priority. Anyone cycling within the Industrial Park Lausitz must wear a bicycle helmet. Pay special attention to diagonally crossing railway tracks and cross them with particular care. Cycling is prohibited during extreme weather conditions. Please observe the information signs at the site gates. Hydrants, drains, and pipe bridges must always be kept clear at all times throughout the entire site. Park only in designated areas and parking spaces. Rail vehicles require free passage. Therefore, a distance of 1.5 meters must be kept clear to the left and right of the tracks. The Industrial Park Lausitz has a central warning and information system. Loudspeakers are installed inside buildings and in outdoor areas. This is what our signal sounds like for site information, such as bicycle bans, network disruptions, restrictions to supply facilities, or operations of the site fire department. In the event of potential danger, you will hear this signal, followed by an announcement. Once the danger has passed, or the operation has completed, the following signal will sound, followed by an announcement. Different alarm tones are also used within individual plants. You will be informed about these during your on-site induction. If you do not understand an announcement, take action by yourself. Speak to employees or staff at the respective plant. Every Wednesday at 3 p.m., we test our warning system. This test alarm is accompanied by a corresponding announcement. If an area needs to be evacuated, stop work immediately and secure your workplace. Leave the hazardous area immediately and proceed directly to the plant's assembly point. Pay attention to the wind direction to reach the assembly point safely. Only check out once you have arrived at the assembly point. If someone is injured, always call the site fire department, regardless of the severity of the injury. Do not hesitate. Our colleagues are ready to help. This helps prevent more serious subsequent injuries. An emergency call can be made directly at any time. When you arrive at your work location, always report first to the registration office. There, you will receive all further information required for your assignment. We wish you a safe day.